Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm so happy that you're here. And today, this is it. I'm going to share to you my final thoughts about Pristine. So this one is the Pristine Glutathione. It has a 30 capsules and 625 mg. It's a food supplement. What is Pristine, guys? It contains 500 milligrams na glutathione, 100 milligrams na sodium ascorbate, and 25 milligrams na alpha lipoic. And with 500 milligrams pure cetria glutathione. And then for this, you get the double dose benefits in just one capsule. Mostly, what I've heard on glutathione's intake, you should take one in the morning and one in the evening para double dose. But then this product from Pristine, hindi na siya kailangan kasi 500 milligrams na nga siya. So, I'll be sharing the best practices for this. But, so far, ang mabibigay nito is, again, first, this is an antioxidant which is super good. Good for your immune system. And of course, given na nakapagla-lighten siya sa skin. With proper diet and of course, exercise as well. Hindi naman pwedeng take ka na take, hindi ka mag-exercise, hindi ka kumakain, no? So, useless rin. I got this on a promo of 999 early sa October kasi maganda, meron siyang free na kojic soap at vitamin C. I was thinking, why is it na merong vitamin C? So, sa napag-alaman-alaman ko, charot. If you're going to take your glutathione with vitamin C, it will be more effective. And it's one of the best practices in taking glutathione. Kojic soap as well for your external use for your body. When I posted it, merong nag-comment dun sa page ko na, can you do a betadine test? So, ang lola nyo, I did a betadine test and it happens na hindi talaga liable yung betadine test. So far, pumasa ang Pristine doon sa betadine test. But hindi talaga, for me, hindi siya advisable yung betadine test for glutathione. So, going back, what I love on this product, kasi nga, sulit na sulit siya. And then for me, for my personal experience lang first, when it comes to lightening, hindi ko masasabi nagla-lighten ba talaga yung skin ko, but it looks glowing. It looks glowing, it feels glowing, and naa-attest yun ng husband ko din kasi nakikita niya na yung skin ko parang healthy siya tingnan, healthy siya i-touch, and so far, ang ganda ng tulog ko. So I decided, supposedly I will be taking it early morning, but then I decided na to take it parang noon time. So depende yung mood ko kung gusto ko talagang mag-rest after filming videos. So yun na, nakakatulog ako ng maayos, and then yung kain ko parang napapadalas, ganun. Pero I really urge you guys na kailangan nyo talagang mag-exercise din kasi nga useless yung mga tinitake natin kung wala tayong proper diet, proper exercise, healthy living then as well. So precaution yan. And then, pag uminom kayo ng glutathione, siguro yung mga alcohols, mga alcoholic drinks, wag muna, no? Kasi sayang yung pagpapaganda nyo, tapos mauuwi lang sa wala. Yung final update ko, I super love the product, and as well as, hopefully, meron pa silang mga promo. But then, nag-check ako ngayon sa FB nila, meron silang promo na ongoing. But then, chinek ko pa kung pareho ba nung na-avail ko na 999. Meron talaga siyang nagagawa sa skin ko na masasabi ko talaga na it works for me. Ewan ko lang sa whitening a little bit, nag-work naman siya sa akin. Napapansin ko lang din kasi parati talaga akong humahatching-hatching kasi allergy ako sa mga dust. But then, upon taking this one, napapansin ko na hindi na ako gaanong nagsisipon. I think it boosted my immune system as well. It helps me sleep, it boosted my immune system, as well as it helps my skin to be more glowing, if I may say. But that was just my own experience. I don't know, iba-iba tayo ng mga experiences, but for me, it's doing good on my body. So, I'm not saying that it works for me and it will work for you. You check it for yourself. I think this is affordable na products na competitive yung quality. Yon. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm planning to continue taking it, honestly. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Bye-bye. Saranghe!